Why should your business use email marketing?
Email marketing?
Yes, email is a tool that almost everyone uses today. It's a great way to contact your current and potential clients and promote your business by sending out newsletters. You can send this newsletter out monthly, weekly, or whatever frequency you deem appropriate. But the important part is consistency. Not only do you need to be consistent with your newsletter, but you need to give your customers a reason to want to receive your newsletters.
A reason?
Yes, one of the easiest ways to make your customer want to receive your newsletter is by including discount codes or coupons. This normally gives your customers incentive to want to receive your newsletter, but also encourages them to purchase more of your products or services. Email marketing is a great form of advertisement and a great way to keep in contact with your customers. However, it can be time-consuming and tricky to set up if you're not quite sure how to do it. Our company specializes in content making and email marketing. We will provide you with excellent customer service as we intelligently help your business soar to the top and stay there. Contact us today for more information.